In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix OneNote sync problems. If your notes are not updating properly across devices, this quick process can help you check what's happening and refresh the sync status directly from the OneNote desktop app. This is especially useful if you've made changes in one place, but they're not appearing somewhere else. To begin, open your notebook in the OneNote desktop application on your computer. Make sure you're inside the notebook that's having the sync issue, because OneNote can store multiple notebooks and you want to check the specific one that isn't updating correctly. Once the notebook is open, give it a moment to fully load so the app can connect properly. Next, move to the top left corner of the OneNote window and click File. This will take you to the main menu area where OneNote keeps account, notebook, and syncing options. If you've never used this section before, don't worry. It's a normal part of the app and the place you need to go for troubleshooting sync issues. From there, click View Sync Status. This opens the sync status window, which shows you how OneNote is handling the connection for your notebook. In many cases, simply opening this window can help you see whether the notebook is stuck, delayed, or actively trying to update. It's a useful place to confirm whether the issue is with syncing itself rather than the notebook content. If nothing seems to happen the first time, or if the sync status window does not open correctly, click View Sync Status again. Sometimes OneNote can be slow to respond, especially if the app is busy in the background or dealing with a temporary connection issue. Trying the option a second time can help the window appear and allow OneNote to refresh that part of the app. Once you can view the sync status, pay attention to whether the notebook begins responding normally. If it does, that's a good sign the sync system has reconnected or refreshed. It can also help to wait a few seconds before closing anything, just to give OneNote enough time to process. That's the full process for checking and fixing a basic OneNote sync issue from the desktop app. It's simple, but it's often one of the fastest ways to get more information and prompt OneNote to respond properly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.